Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on dark mode on your iPhone. Let's get started. On the iPhone, dark mode can save you some battery. It's easier on your eyes in low light conditions, and it gives your device a sleek, stylish appearance. To turn on dark mode, go to Settings, then scroll up to Display and Brightness. Here, you'll see the Appearance section, where you can select Dark to enable dark mode. You can also select Automatic, which gives you different scheduling options. You can set it to switch from sunset to sunrise, or you can customize the time for when dark mode should turn on and off. You can schedule times to change the appearance automatically. Your iPhone may wait to transition until you're not actively using the screen, ensuring a smooth switch between light and dark modes. Alright, so if you select Custom Schedule, you can set light mode to appear at 7 a.m. and dark mode to activate at 10 p.m. tonight. This allows you to customize exactly when each mode is enabled, based on your preferences. Another way to enable or disable dark mode is by opening the Control Center. Simply swipe down from the top right corner of your screen and you'll see the dark mode toggle. Just tap it to enable dark mode and tap it again to disable it. This provides a quick way to switch between modes on the go. That's how you can easily turn dark mode on or off on your iPhone. Whether through the settings or the Control Center, it's a simple way to customize your display for better comfort or style. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.